Hey, what's up everybody? This is Daniel Landsman and this is day 29 of 50 Days of Data. Gonna be speaking today about edge devices. Want to let you guys know that I've received a lot of feedback on the analytics stuff that I came out with yesterday, as well as data as an asset class. So I'm gonna be making some other videos about that moving forward. I'm looking forward to entertaining you guys and telling you more about data. So today, as mentioned, edge devices. So when you're at your house and you have a electricity meter or a water meter that's spinning off data, that can be an edge device. Or when you're playing with your smart fridge that knows you need milk, that's an edge device. Or when you're in a self-driving car, that's an edge device. We're moving more and more towards connected everything. You might hear it called Internet of Things, but it's just the internet. And all of those things pump off data. So the reason I wanted to talk about edge devices and go over that is because figuring out where you're storing the data and how frequently that you're calling the data is going to create cost challenges or cost savings. So basically, there's multiple ways to do that, but you want to think about how long do you want that data to be cached on the edge device, or do you want that data in real time? Thinking about it from like an architecture perspective, like systems architecture, coding, etc., you would need a different style of logic, whether it be batch processing using MapReduce or TensorFlow for real-time ingestion. I mean, there's a multitude of things, and by no means am I an expert programmer or systems architect, but you need to think about how is the value of the data, going back to some of the stuff that I said yesterday, going to be captured? Is that data going to lose value? Is that data going to be more valuable in real time, or will it be just as valuable if you get it tomorrow? There's been instances in my career personally where I've only been able to access data from yesterday, and that data from yesterday, when accessed, literally cost me thousands of dollars an hour. And it really depends on what scale of business you have in order to make the best decision for you guys. But keeping the data on the edge devices will theoretically keep it cheaper, because the less that you ping the cloud and pull data up and store it in a centralized database, the less it's going to cost in theory. That being said, you also have to make the decision, like, okay, once I bring this data up, like, where am I going to store it? And am I going to parse it in real time, or am I going to parse it in, batches, or, just call it up when I need it? Again, it has, cost implications. So it's something to think about. And when you're designing stuff, you want to obviously try to capture as much data as possible, but is there a way to forecast out whether or not capturing certain data will actually be cost effective or not? Maybe it's not worthwhile to know, where an electron is. Who knows? I'm just saying that you got to think about it in terms of, cost-benefit analysis for the style of data analysis that you're doing or the data science that you're doing.